Welcome to the Q&A session 12 from the playlist of IIT-JEE Advanced Physics. The topic is the calculation of percentage error in the measurement of density. And based on this topic, I have selected one question for this session, which was asked in the IIT-JEE examination in the year 2011. So the question here is, the diameter of a ball is measured by a screw gauge. Its pitch is 0.5 mm, that is the pitch of the screw gauge is 0.5 mm, and it has 50 divisions on the circular scale. The reading on the main scale division, MSD is a main scale division, the reading on the main scale division is 2.5 mm, and that on the circular scale division is 20 divisions. So if the measured mass of the ball has a relative error of 2%, now this is basically the percentage error. Then the percentage error in the measurement of density is, so here we have been given 4 options and we have to find the correct one. So the first thing here is that the diameter of the ball will be equal to the main scale reading plus the circular scale reading multiplied by the least count of the instrument. So here the least count of the screw gauge is equal to pitch divided by the number of divisions on the circular scale. So pitch is given to us as 0.5 mm. So 0.5 divided by the number of divisions on the circular scale, which is equal to 50. So this is equal to 1 by 100 and this is equal to 0.01 mm. This is equal to 0.01 mm. So the least count is equal to 0.01 mm, and now we have to calculate the diameter. So the diameter is equal to the main scale reading plus the circular scale reading multiplied by the least count. So this is the formula for measuring the diameter with the help of a screw gauge. So the main scale reading is equal to 2.5 mm. The main scale reading is equal to 2.5 mm and plus the circular scale reading, which is equal to 20 into the least count, which is equal to 0.01. So this is equal to 0.2 plus 2.5, this is equal to 2.7 mm. So the diameter of the ball, this is equal to 2.7 mm. Now the density of the ball will be equal to mass upon volume. So volume is equal to, so mass is upon volume. The volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. But here we are measuring the diameter of the ball with the help of a screw gauge. So I will be converting this radius. I will be writing this radius in terms of diameter. This is equal to d by 2 cube. So the density will be equal to m divided by 4 pi d cube, and this will be equal to 8, 2 into 2 into 2, 8 into 3, that is equal to 24. So this is equal to into 24. So 4 pi d cube and this 24 will be in the numerator. So this is equal to 6 m divided by pi d cube. So this is the density in terms of the mass and diameter. So delta D upon D, which is the relative error in the measurement of density, this will be equal to delta M by M plus 3 times delta T. I will be writing this D as small d because here I have taken the density as a capital D. So this will be equal to delta D upon D. Yes. So if I multiply this equation on both sides by 100, then delta D by D into 100, this will be equal to delta M by M into 100 plus 3 times delta D small d divided by small d into 100. So delta T upon D into 100 is the percentage error in the measurement of density, and this is what we have to find. And delta M by M into 100 is the percentage error in the measurement of mass, which is equal to 2%. And delta D upon D, here D was equal to 2.7 mm. Now delta D is the absolute error in the measurement of density. So delta D will be equal to the least count of the instrument, and this will be equal to 0.01 mm. So delta D by D into 100, this will be equal to 2 plus 3 times this delta D will be equal to 0.01 divided by 2.7 into 100. So the percentage error in the measurement of density will be equal to 2 plus, this will be equal to 1 divided by 2.7 into 3. This 0.01 into 100 is equal to 1. So 1 divided by 2.7 into 3, or this is equal to, or simply we can say that this is equal to 3 upon 2.7. So this is equal to 2 plus. Now 3 upon 2.7 is equal to 1.1 approximately. So this is equal to 3.1%. So the percentage error in the measurement of density will be equal to 3.1%, and so the correct option is A. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session, the topic will be different, but the chapter will remain the same, that is the chapter of units and measurements. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.